Hey guys, and this is an old bullet. The issue over here is actually the kicker is too free to kick. So some issue in the gearbox. So let me show you guys on how to fix this. So to do that, we have to remove the complete gearbox housing. So you could refer to my old videos. I'll put it in the cards and also in description. So how to remove this casing. So I have a lot of videos done. Okay, so this one actually is the gear mechanism. Okay, so this vehicle actually comes with two single mechanism which has two different options. So one will be going in for the kicker and one will be acting as a gear. So you need to remove all the screws, also this side. And this one actually is the gear selector rod. Okay, so this one actually acts as a gear portion. So if you guys are replacing it, kindly just take a video out of it so that you doesn't get missed out any parts that you're removing. Also make sure that you remove those things in a sequence. And this one is actually the kicker spring. So most of the time this thing actually fails, so I would suggest you guys to replace it whenever you're getting time or overhauling this gearbox. So this is actually the clutch push rod. So this one goes and pushes the clutch outside so that you can freely engage the gears. So once you remove the outer gearbox mechanism, you should remove around 6 bolts so that the outer casing comes off. So this one is actually packed up with grease, so we don't use oil. So there are few gearbox which came in oil, but the one I'm using it is actually a grease one. So we have to fill it with grease and clean and fill it so that the gear runs good. So the biggest hurdle that I faced is actually while removing this gear kicker selector rod. So this one doesn't comes out easily because it has some sealing over there, O-ring. So this is the part which caused this issue. So what this actually does is it goes and holds on to one gear so that while you're kicking it, that gear engages and the vehicle starts. Okay, so this one actually is a small part, but it cost around 150. I don't know right now how much it cost, but it's with more. As you could see, this is the new one and this is the old one. So as it is broken, it's not engaging with that gear. So that's why this issue is happening right now. So once we change this one, so it will be good. Okay. And also while changing that, kindly please change this kicker shaft O-ring so the oil doesn't leak. பின்னாடி ஏதோ லூஸாக இருக்கு, லைட்டாக